How to fix torrent for Mac not uninstalling. If you're having trouble uninstalling torrent on your Mac, here are some steps you can try. 1. Close torrent. Make sure that the torrent application is not running before you try to uninstall it. 2. Delete the application from the Applications folder. Drag the torrent icon from the Applications folder to the trash. This will remove the application from your computer, but there may still be some residual files left behind. Refer to the IMG below. 3. Remove residual files. Use a program like App Cleaner or Clean My Mac to search for and delete any residual files associated with torrent. These files may be located in your library folder or in other system folders. 4. Restart your Mac. After you have removed all traces of torrent, restart your Mac to ensure that all changes have taken effect. If these steps do not work, you may want to try using a third-party uninstaller tool on the web to completely remove torrent from your Mac. If all else fails, you can try contacting the torrent support team for assistance with uninstalling the application.